Magandang hapon po ng July 23, 2026 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng July 23, 2026 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, July 23, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for July 23, 2026, Thursday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, July 23, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for July 23, 2026, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.